Chapter 15, The Cosmic Tree of Life, reveals the ultimate reality, the Supreme Self, and the cosmic tree of life. Lord Krishna guides Arjuna to understand the interconnectedness of all existence and the path to liberation. As we contemplate this sacred chapter, may our hearts be filled with spiritual insight, devotion, and unity. The Cosmic Tree of Life. In the cosmic tree's majestic shade, roots of karma, branches of dharma displayed, the Vedas sing its ancient name, Ashwatha, the tree of life's sacred flame. Its roots above in heaven's embrace, branches below in mortal space. The three attributes nourish its might, Sattva, Rajas, Tamas in cosmic sight. The cosmic tree's trunk, strong and wide, is the self where love and wisdom reside. Its leaves, the Vedic hymns of old, echoing truths forever to unfold. The branches stretch far and wide into the world where humans reside. The senses, like leaves, sway and dance in the breeze of Maya's enchanting trance. Cut down the tree with detachment's axe and seek the self in inner facts. Transcend the attributes, rise above, and find liberation in endless love. Those who see the cosmic tree's design understand the self in all its shine. In unity with the divine, they find their place in the cosmic vine. The cosmic tree's secrets, now revealed, show the path to the ultimate yield. Through devotion and selfless deed, attain the self in cosmic creed. Thus Arjuna, with heart now clear, understand the cosmic tree and banish fear. In its shade find peace and rest, and merge with me in eternal nest.